Unlock the full creative and practical power of Google Gemini by learning how to access the innovative Nano Banana feature. First, ensure you have your Google Gemini interface open and ready to go. This is your gateway to a world of advanced AI capabilities. Locate and click on the Explore features or a similar prominent button. This will reveal the spectrum of tools and functionalities available to you. Within the list of available enhancements, you'll find Nano Banana. It might be presented with a unique icon or a distinct name indicating its special nature. Proceed by clicking directly on the Nano Banana option. This action initiates the integration of its advanced AI processing power into your current Gemini session. Once Nano Banana is activated, your Gemini interface will likely look unchanged. But rest assured, its underlying AI capabilities are now significantly enhanced for more nuanced and innovative outputs. Now you can start interacting with Gemini as you normally would. But with the amplified intelligence of Nano Banana at your disposal, feel free to ask complex questions, request creative content, or explore analytical tasks. Experience the difference as Nano Banana helps Gemini understand your prompts with greater depth and generate more insightful, creative, and practical responses than ever before. You've just opened the door to next-level AI assistance.